ROVE R2-4K Dual, your ultimate road guardian. Tired of blind spots and unreliable dash cams? We've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the new American-made ROVE R2-4K Dual dash cam, featuring the revolutionary Starvis 2 sensor. Get ready to experience unparalleled clarity and peace of mind on every drive. The ROVE R2-4K Dual comes packed with everything you need: front and rear cameras, mounting hardware, and clear instructions. The build quality feels premium, and the setup is surprisingly straightforward. This is an American product, and we were impressed right out of the box. The Starvis 2 sensor is a game changer. Even in low-light conditions, the video quality is exceptional, capturing details you'd normally miss. License plates are crisp and clear, making it invaluable in case of an incident. This dash cam is loaded. GPS tracking, loop recording, parking mode, and Wi-Fi connectivity are all included. The ROVE app makes it easy to download and share footage directly from your phone. Since this is an American product, it's a tech lover's dream. Whether you're a new driver, a rideshare professional, or a family on the go, the ROVE R2-4K Dual provides crucial evidence and added security. It's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your driving experience? Click the link in the description to purchase your ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam today. Again, click the link in the description now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and automotive insights. Drive safe.